Good morning, class 12th. Today we will discuss the question number 74 from T.S. Grewal. You note down the question carefully and then we move to adjustment parts. The question says A and B are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They admit C as a partner. The capital accounts are given. A capital is 60,000, B capital is 40,000 and the creditors is given 20,000. It's 20,000. Here building 50,000, plant and machinery 30,000, stock 20,000, 20. Debtors 10,000 and the bank is given 10,000. That's make a balance sheet equal to 1,20,000 in both the cases. 1,20,000 in both the cases. I hope this part is clear. This part is clear. Balance sheet total is 1,20,000. It's 1,20,000 here. Balance sheet total is 1,20,000. Then we note down the adjustment parts now. Now note down the adjustment part. C will bring rupees 30,000 as capital for 1/4 share. Means C share is given 1/4 and he brings rupees 10,000 for goodwill. Means he is bringing 10,000 rupees for goodwill in cash. We call it premium. Part of the stock which had been included in the cost, rupees 2,000, has been badly damaged. Okay, it means the stock you have rupees 2,000, it been badly damaged. आपका raw material खराब हो गया and could expect realize rupees 400. आपका कुछ 2,000 का stock खराब हो गया, only ठीक है आप 400 का stock बचा पाए. तो rest is the expense for you. If you see the expense for you will be 1,600 because 2,000 में से आप सिर्फ 400 का stock बचा पाए हो तो 1,600 हमारे लिए क्या खर्चा है. C part bank charges has been overlooked and amounted to rupees 200 for the year 2018-19. हमें बैंक चार्जेस पे करना चाहिए था लेकिन हमने अभी तक पे नहीं किया, हमने गलती कर दी है. तो these are the entries are there which are error. So we need to rectify it also. यहाँ गलती थी 200 रुपए की, हमने बैंक चार्जेस पे करने चाहिए थे लेकिन हमने इसको ओवरलुक कर दिया, हमने पे नहीं किया. Depreciation building of rupees 3,000 has been omitted for the year 2018-19. हमें depreciation building पे चार्ज होना था rupees 3,000 का, हमने इसको चार्ज नहीं किया. Again this is an error. We are talking about the point number D. E point is a credit for goods for rupees 800 have been omitted from both purchase and creditors. Although the goods have been correctly included in the stock. It means that एक credit था, हमने credit for goods for rupees 800, हमने goods purchase किए थे 800 rupees के. Okay, हमने इसको stock में तो record कर लिया. We cannot record in creditors. It means हमने creditors से जो goods 800 rupees के उधार में परचेज किए थे, हम क्रेडिटर्स की बुक पे लिखना भूल गए. दिस एंट्री रिकॉर्डिंग स्टॉक, स्टॉक पे तो एंट्री भी है लेकिन हमने क्रेडिटर्स के उसमें रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया. इट मींस वी हैव टू पे 800 rupees टू क्रेडिटर्स. आई होप यू नोट डाउन दिस 5 parts A, B, C, D, and E. There are one more adjustment is here. The adjustment number F. I'm writing so that writing over here. You understand that? Have you note down? Have you see the thing clearly? I hope you can. Okay. The next part is the point number F. The point number F says that an expenses of rupees 1,200 and expenses of rupees 1,200. The expense of rupees 1,200 for insurance premium has been debited to profit and loss account. Have been debited to profit and loss account for the year 2018-19. For the year 2018-19. Okay, but rupees 600 but rupees 600 of this are related to the period of but rupees 600 of this are related to the period after 31st March 2019. After 31st March 2019. It means that the insurance premium which you are paying to be 1200. Okay. But W2 वो आपने प्रॉफिट लॉस अकाउंट में चार्ज कर लिया, W2 प्रॉफिट लॉस अकाउंट, बट आफ्टर 600 वो नेक्स्ट ईयर का था, मीन्स वो आफ्टर 31st मार्च के बाद का है. इट नॉट काउंट इन दिस ईयर. इट मीन दिस इज प्रीपेड, अ न्यू एसेट. एनी एक्सपेंस यू पेड इन एडवांस, इट बिकम अ एसेट फॉर अस. आपने 600 रुपीज एडवांस पे पे खर्ची हैं, तो any expense you paid in advance, it become an asset for us. हमारे लिए क्या बन जाती है? Asset. I hope this part is clear. Note down the question carefully. Then we solve the question. Note down perfectly. Okay. I hope this question clear. Take a snapshot of this. Okay. This one is debited to profit and loss account for the year 2018-19, but rupees 600 for this year are related to the period of after 31st March 2019. It means 600 we paid in advance. Now note down the question. Question को सामने रखिए अपने, and then you can able to solve it. This is, I told you, this is question number 74 from TS Agrawal. I'm teaching you all the important question. I'm not teaching you only all the important question. I'm writing the question over here so that you can able to understand it. हम क्वेश्चन कौन से कर रहे हैं, तो I'm writing the question over here and then we are going to solve it. तो क्वेश्चन को अपने पास रखिए नोट करके, and then easily we can able to solve it. Now we make revaluation account and partnership capital account, but before that just check it out. How can you find, because goodwill is given the question, we no need to find the goodwill because goodwill directly given the question and there's no information about the new ratio. So whatever the sacrificing ratio, whatever the old ratio, the old ratio is 3:2 is the sacrificing ratio. I told you why. In simple method, sacrificing ratio is equal to old ratio because nothing mentioned here. C को 1/4 share कहाँ से मिल रहा है, ये क्वेश्चन में गिवन नहीं है. तो whatever the old ratio is the sacrificing ratio. I hope this part is clear. I told you many times. Next is revaluation account and partners capital account. So here I am making the revaluation account first. Revaluation account. Okay, we do the one by one. Now check the first adjustments. Revaluation account. This one is debit side. Here is writing credit side. You write the particular over here. Here amount. Again particular. Here's amount. Now check the first adjustment that we did. The first is, if you see part of the stock which has been included, आपका stock था which has been included at the cost 2000 has been badly damaged. 2000 रुपए का स्टॉक आपका बुरी तरह खराब हो गया. जब आपने देखा, नोटिस किया, तो आपने बचाने की कोशिश की, तो यू कैन ओनली सेव 400. द स्टॉक वर्थ रुपीज 400 आप सेव कर पाए, तो इट मीन नुकसान कितने का हो गया? 1600 का. तो यू राइट हियर टू स्टॉक 1600. I hope this part is clear. Next is bank charges have been one more thing is bank charges have been overlooked and amounted to rupees 200 for the 2018-19. बैंक चार्जेस आपको पे करने चाहिए, जो आपने ओवरलुक कर दिया, पे नहीं किया, इज अ एक्सपेंस फॉर द फर्म. टू राइट बैंक चार्जेस, आपको पे करना चाहिए था, आपने पे नहीं किया, इज अ एक्सपेंस फॉर द फर्म. हमें बैंक चार्जेस पे करने चाहिए थे. हाउ मच? रुपीज 200. नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज बिल्डिंग इज depreciated by 3000. We write depreciation on building is again expense for the firm. Depreciation on building. Depreciation on building is 3000. ये आपने ओवरलुक कर दिया था, हमें पे करना चाहिए था. नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज a credit for good has been omitted. आपने creditors को पे करनी थी 800 rupees. Transaction number E we are talking about a credit for goods rupees 800 has been omitted from the both purchase and creditors but been currently recorded in stock. तो आपने creditors को पे करने हैं 800 rupees. जो आप रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया था, अगेन गलती थी, तो क्रेडिटर्स आपके बढ़ रहे हैं बिकॉज यू हैव टू पे 800 रुपीज मोर. आपने इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम एडवांस में पे कर दिया है, ट्रांजेक्शन है बाय प्रीपेड इंश्योरेंस. आपने 600 रुपीज एडवांस में पे कर चुके हैं. ओके, तो बाय प्रीपेड इंश्योरेंस आई एम टॉकिंग ट्रांजेक्शन नंबर एफ. आपने एडवांस में पे करेगा तो नई एसेट जनरेट हुई, वी कॉल इट न्यू एसेट्स. ये जनरेट हुई है. ओके, इज इट क्लियर नाउ? नाउ check is a profit or loss. I think it's a loss. Okay, take the total of debit side is coming 5600 minus 600. The loss is coming 5000, which to be borne by A and B. So we write A's capital account by B's capital account in their old ratio, and the old ratio of A and B is 3:2. So means A will bear 3000 and B will bear 2000. Oh, this is the evaluation part. You understand that? So only the adjustment need to be understand all these things. These are main important part. Rest the question is very simple. I hope your all the adjustments are clear. Why stock coming on debit side? Because stock आपका 1600 का खराब हो गया. बैंक चार्जेस आपको पे करने थे, आपने पे नहीं किए. डेप्रिसिएशन बिल्डिंग आपको चार्ज करना चाहिए था, but you forget to be charged. Creditors 800 rupees आपने रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया था. You have to pay these creditors. Prepaid insurance is an asset for us because any expense paid in advance. आपने 600 के next year के भी अभी पे कर दिए, तो is an asset for us. Okay, I hope this revaluation part is clear. Then we make partners capital account now. So we are getting revaluation loss 5000. Should I rub this? Then we make partners capital account. Okay, 3 partners. Right here, partners capital account. Particular A, B, and C here. Similarly, particulars A, B, and C. This one is credit side. Particular A, B, and C. Now check what's the opening capital is given the question. So we write here particular by balance put down. Check what is the A and B capital is given the question. A capital is given 60,000 and 40,000 respectively. A capital is 60,000. B is 40,000. C brings in cash. We write by cash account. If he brings through bank, we write by bank account. So C is bringing cash 30,000 as his capital and bring 10,000 as goodwill. So goodwill is to be distributed among partners in their salary ratio, and the salary ratio is 3:2 only. So goodwill is 10,000 divided between A and B 6,000 and 4,000 because the goodwill is given the question 10,000. So we divide 6,000 4,000. I hope this part is clear. Okay, now one more thing is here, revaluation loss is here. So we write to revaluation account, the loss account need to be begun by the old partners. The loss will be 3,000 for A, 2,000 for B. Let me write here, check the total part. Okay, no other information is given the question. To write 66,000 for total for A, 44,000 total for B, and 30,000 total for C. Right here, to balance CD, close down. So 66,000 total for A, 44,000 for B, and 30,000 for C. Now subtract 66 minus 3, we get 63,000 as a new capital for A, 44 minus 2, 42,000 new capital of B, and 30,000 is the new capital of C. There are no change in C's capital. So we write 30,000 as C's new capital. I hope this part is clear. So A capital is coming 63,000, B capital is coming 42,000, C is coming 30,000. I hope this part question is clear. Simple revaluation in here the partners capital account is simple. I hope you understand that how we draw partners capital account. Next is balance sheet. If you see this question, only the adjustment part is important. If you see the adjustment, rest of the question is very simple. Only the adjustment you need to understand it. Now it's become easier for us to solve the question. Now it's balance sheet. Now check balance sheet. The balance sheet as on 1st April. The new balance sheet as on 1st April. Liabilities. Let's write amount. Write assets. Amount. Now C is coming the business. Okay, so we are making the balance sheet of 1st April 2019. The day the new partner admit, write the capital account of new partners or capital account of all partners. Capital account A, B and C. If you see A capital is, check what's A's capital account, 63,000, 42,000 and 30,000 for C. Now check if there any adjustment is there which need to be recorded over here. Now creditors was rupees. The creditors is given the question is 20,000. You need to pay 800 more to creditors. So the new creditor is 20,800. I hope this part is clear. Creditors 20,800. Creditors आपके पास पुराने गिवन है 20,000. आपने 800 रुपये और पे करे थे. It means you need to pay 20,800. Bank, or we call cash. Bank opening balance of bank is 10,000. New partner bring 30,000 as a capital plus 10,000 as a premium for goodwill. One more thing is here. If you see the bank charges, bank के कितने charges कटने थे? We have to pay bank charges rupees 200. हमें बैंक के charges pay करने 200. We decrease from the bank only. The bank is the opening balance of bank is given 10,000. अगर आप क्वेश्चन में चेक करें तो बैंक हमें गिवन है 10,000 फीस का. न्यू पार्टनर bring 30,000 as capital and 10,000 share of goodwill. तो टोटल वो कितना पैसा लेके आया 40,000 and the bank charges is 200. बैंक ने चार्ज किए 200 रुपए, हमें कट करने पड़ेंगे. तो नेक्स्ट कमिंग 50,000 minus 200 is coming 49,800. ये पार्ट समझ आ गया सबको? Why we minus 200 here? Because the bank charges given the adjustment. So new bank is coming 49,800. Now building. The building value is, check in the question what is the old value of building. Building cost is 50,000. ये depreciate हुआ है 3,000 rupees जिसको हम चार्ज करना भूल गए थे. तो less depreciation 3,000. The value of building is coming 47,000. I hope two parts are clear. Now check another asset also. Next asset is plant and machinery, no change. So we write plant and machinery. Now check what is the value of plant and machinery is given in the question, 30,000. Then we write stock. There is no change in stock because currently measuring the stock. The stock value is given in the question. If you see the stock is 20,000. Okay, the value of stock is 20,000. कितना नुकसान हो गया आपको? 1600 का नुकसान हुआ था बिकॉज हमारे 1600 के स्टॉक खराब हो गए थे. गिवन द क्वेश्चन एडजस्टमेंट गिवन है. हमारे 2000 के स्टॉक खराब हुए थे, हमने 400 के भी बचा पाए. तो हमारे स्टॉक कितने खराब हुए? 1600 के. तो 20,000 माइनस 1600 is coming 18,400. Okay, next check what is the other part is given. Debtors is given. Is there any change in debtors? There are no change in debtor. So debtor is given 10,000. Debtors 10,000. And one more thing is here, prepaid. The insurance we paid in advance. वो हमारे asset है, तो इसका under current asset, prepaid insurance asset में आएगी. हमने prepaid insurance कितना pay किया था? 600 rupees. So we write 600 as a prepaid insurance over here. And then check the balance sheet side. If the two balance sheets are matching together, it means the answer is correct. My 50,085 1,55,800 1,55,800 is also coming 1,55,800. I hope you understand how we solve the question. The only the important part is here is to know the adjustments. This is the important part, to know the adjustment. Please note down this one and check whether you able to understand all the transitions. Is there anything you need to understand that? How creditors coming 20,800? Because creditors we have to pay 800 more, which we forgot to mention. Bank, opening balance is given 10,000. New partner brings his capital 30,000 plus 10,000 goodwill. Minus we subtract 200 rupees because the bank charges we forget to record. तो हमें 200 rupees minus करना पड़ेगा. Building is depreciated by 3,000. Plant and machinery no change. Stock 20,000. Why we direct 1,600? Because 1,600 के stock हमारे खराब हो गए. Then no change in debtors. And then we write prepaid insurance is a new asset because any expense we paid in advance is an asset for us. We need to maintain prepaid insurance 600. I hope this question is clear. Now next question we doing 76 because 75 is same question. I hope you all can do it. Only you need to calculate goodwill. You can all do 75 question. Again we are doing 76 question. It's a simple one. Only the adjustment need to be understand it. The question number 76. Note down this one. Take a snapshot of this thing. Okay. Now note down question number 76. So A, B से बड़ा. This is question number 76. A and B are partners in a firm. The net profit of the firm divided as follows. A share is 1/2, 1/3 of B and 1/C carried forward to reserve. They say 1/6 part go to reserve. Now important part. There are not many students confused in that. I will tell you how we'll deal with that. They admit C as a partner on 1st April 2019, on which date the balance sheet of the firm is given for as follows. The capital account is given A 50, B 40,000, reserve is 10,000, credit is 20,000, outstanding expenses are 5,000. Okay, here building 50,000, plant and machinery 30,000, stock 18,000, debt is 22,000, bank is 5,000. It makes the total balance sheet 1,25,000. I hope the question is clear. There are some adjustment out here. Note down A and B are partners in a firm. The net profit for the firm divided as follows. 1/2 is A share, 1/3 of B share and 1/C carried forward to reserve. It means their ratio is 1/2 and 1/3. हमें reserve से अभी कुछ नहीं करना है. Okay, so their ratio is 3:2. I hope the question is clear. Take the snapshot of this. Then we write the adjustment part. Note down the adjustment parts which is given. The questions are: C brings rupee 25,000 as capital. C also brings rupee 5,000 for 1/5 share of goodwill. Stock is undervalued by 10%. Now, it means that stock is undervalued by 10%. It simply means that जो आपने बैलेंस शीट में स्टॉक की वैल्यू लिखी है, it's a 90%. वो ओरिजिनल वैल्यू की 90% है. Now, not many students confused in that. वो स्टॉक को 10% कम कर देंगे. No, it's not like this. जैसे स्टॉक is undervalued by 10%. जो आपने वैल्यू लिखी है स्टॉक की वो 90% लिखी है. We need to find the 100% value. Okay. Creditors include a liability of rupees 4,000 which has been decided by the court 3,200. आपने creditors को pay करने 3,200, but the court decided it you need to pay only 3,200 now. Is it clear? Creditors को आपने कितना pay करना था? You have to pay 4,000, but now decided by the court you need to pay only 3,200. In regard of the debtors, the following debts providing bad and doubtful. Okay, it's an important part. Rupees 2,000 due from X. हमें X से 2,000 rupees लेने दें. Is back to the full extent. हमें मिलने की उम्मीद खत्म हो गई है. Means X पे नहीं कर पा रहा है या पैसा भाग गया है. Okay. Rupees 4,000 due from Y. He declared himself insolvent. Recover 50% only. हमें जो Y से पैसा लेना था उसने अपने आप को insolvent declare कर दिया. तो we recover only 50% by selling his personal assets. तो हमें कितना मिल रहा है? 50% मिल रहा है. Now in this question you need to prepare revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet. The question is simple, but you need to understand that these adjustment, because these adjustment plays a very important role. If you know the adjustment, then the question is easy for us. Understand the term? Okay, note down the ticket. All the adjustment there are 5 adjustments given the question. Basically, the adjustments are only C, D, and E. Now, first we prepare the working note. Now, if you see the goodwill is given the question, and nothing is mentioned about when you is here. They say that C 1/5 share में आया. ये mention नहीं है कि C को ये share कहाँ से मिला है. Again, it's a simple method. In simple method, what is the old ratio? The old ratio is 3:2. हम reserve को consider नहीं करेंगे. The old ratio of A and B is 3:2. It equal to the sacrificing ratio. Because simple method में old क्या होता है? Old ratio is sacrifice होता है. हमें कैसे मालूम चलता है कि ये sacrifice old ही ठीक है sacrifice ratio है. जब ये mention ना हो, इसमें दिया C admit for 1/5 share. ये हमें mention ना हो कि C को ये 1/5 कहाँ से मिला है. Okay, that's we call it simple method. हमने काफी क्वेश्चन कर चुके हैं इस बारे में. Okay, now we need to prepare revaluation account. First thing is prepare revaluation account and partners capital account and the balance sheet of the new firm. So first I'm making the revaluation account here. Okay, simply write particular amount. You know that? Write your amount over here, particular amount over here, credit side, debit side. So read the first adjustment. They said the first one is bank charges. Okay, oh sorry. The first adjustment is stock undervalued by 10%. Now you know that whatever the value of stock is given is 90%. So let understand this question. Let the original value of stock is X. तो x का 90% हमें गिवन है. नाउ व्हाट इज गिवन? x का 90% हमें बैलेंस शीट में कितना गिवन है स्टॉक का वैल्यू? इफ इज द स्टॉक वैल्यू इज गिवन 18,000. तो ये 90% स्टॉक का गिवन है बिकॉज स्टॉक को हमने अंडर वैल्यूड किया 10%. हमने स्टॉक की जो मेजर किया है वो उसको 10% मेजर कम करके लिखा है. तो हाउ मच वी राइट 90%. तो x का लेट्स द ओरिजिनल फिगर ऑफ x इज स्टॉक इज x. जो स्टॉक की ओरिजिनल फिगर है हमने इसको x मान लिया है. तो x का 90% is equal to 18,000. तो what is x? तो x is equal to, if you solve this thing, it's 18,000 multiplied by 100 divided by 90 is coming 20,000. तो actual value of stock is 20,000. The actual value of stock is 20,000. पर हमने stock की value कितना लिखा है? 18,000. हमने गलती की है. तो हमने under valued किया. हमें बढ़ाना पड़ेगा. हमने जो stock की value को measure किया वो क्या? 18,000. But the real value of stock is 20,000. It means हमें स्टॉक को इंक्रीज करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि हमने इसको गलत मेजर किया है. तो हमारी स्टॉक की वैल्यू बढ़ रही है. तो वी राइट हियर बाय स्टॉक 2,000. हमारी स्टॉक की जो वैल्यू थी वो थी 20,000. हमने मेजर किया है 18,000. तो हमें इंक्रीज करना पड़ेगा. द इंक्रीज द स्टॉक इज 2,000. सिमिलरली हमें इफ यू चेक द डी पार्ट क्रेडिटर्स इंक्लूड लायबिलिटी. हमने क्रेडिटर्स को पे करने थे. हमने क्रेडिटर्स को पे करने थे 4,000 रुपीज. If we check the question, but court said no, pay 3,200 only. तो इसमें 800 बेनिफिट हो गया हमें. हमने क्रेडिटर्स को 3,200 4,000 पे करना था. But the court said now you need to pay only rupees 3,200. तो हमें कितने का बेनिफिट हुआ? 800. We write by creditors. हमारे क्रेडिटर्स कम हो गए. We write by creditors 800. Is it clear? Next part is in regard of bad debt. They say that हमें x से पैसा मिलने की उम्मीद खत्म होगी. तो व्हाट वी राइट टू बैड डेट. कितना पैसा मिलने की उम्मीद खत्म होगी? 2,000. ओके, बिकॉज हमें 2,000 मिलने थे x से. y से मिल रहे हैं हमें 4,000 रुपीज. बट वी रिकवर ओनली आउट ऑफ 4,000 वी रिकवर ओनली 2,000. तो अभी भी कितना नुकसान हो रहा है y से? बिकॉज y से हमें लेने थे 4,000 रुपीज एंड y प्रूव हिमसेल्फ एज अ बैड. y ने अपने को क्या इंसॉल्वेंट डिक्लेयर कर लिया. ओके, तो वी रिकवर ओनली 50%. तो 4,000 का 50% मींस वी आर रिकवरिंग ओनली 2,000. तो अभी भी नुकसान कितना हो रहा है हमें? 2,000 रुपीज का. तो वी राइट टू बैड डेट x टू बैड डेट या टू वी राइट सिंपल टू प्रोविजन. वी राइट टू प्रोविजन 2,000. Now check whether is there any other information here? No. There is a loss is there 4,000 here. Total debit side हमारी debit side बढ़ी है. तो we write by A's capital account by B's capital account. Loss is borne by the partner. The loss of rupees if you minus 4,000 multiply 2800, the loss of 1200 is here. Now divide this loss between A and B in the old ratio, and the old ratio is 3:2. If we divide, it's coming 720 and 480. 720 and 480. I hope this part is clear. Divide 1200 loss in between the old partners in the new old ratio. It's coming 720 and 480. I hope the revolution is clear. आप सबको revolution बनाना आ गया. Next part is how we make partners coupling. Again, 3 partners. I need to change a marker first. Write particulars A, B and C. Similarly, particular A, B and C. The first thing is A capital account, B capital account, C credit side, debit side. Again, this one is A, B and C. Here we write partners capital account. Here write particulars. First thing is bar balance broke down. Check what's the opening balance of A, B and C given. So A's capital is given 50,000, B is given 40,000. You write 50,000 and 40,000. Then by premium, how much C brings as share of goodwill? C अपने साथ कितनी? Oh sorry. First thing we write by cash account. How much C brings as his share of capital? So by cash account या by bank account. So C is bringing a cash of rupees 25,000. Then we decide premium. Premium is to be distributed A and B in their old ratio. The premium is C is bringing 5,000. Now divide this 5,000 goodwill ko 3:2. So A is getting 3,000, B is getting 2,000. So right, A is getting 3,000 rupees, B is getting 2,000 rupees. I hope this part is clear. Okay. Then and reserve is given the question. So reserve belongs to old partner. We write by reserve. Now reserve to be distributed between old partners. So reserve of rupees 10,000 is given. अगर आप देखेंगे reserve given है 10,000 rupees. So divide the reserve. In old ratio is coming 6,000 and 4,000. Okay. Then revaluation loss is there. To write to revaluation account. Because they need to bond by the partner. Revaluation loss में है तो डेबिट साइड में आएगा. पार्टनर्स को बेयर करना पड़ेगा. It's coming 720 and 480 हमने निकाला था. Now total of this side. चेक करिए. Total of this side is coming. A is coming 59,000. B is coming 46,000. And it's coming 25,000. So similarly write 59,000, 46,000 and 25,000. Now subtract it to balance CD. What is the new capital? 59,000 minus 720 is coming 58,280. 46,000 minus 480 subtracted is coming 45,520. And the C capital is 25,000. I hope this part is clear to everyone. Sure. I hope you understand it. How we solve the term. The simple part. Okay. Next we move to balance sheet. How we solve the balance sheet of this question. I hope this part is clear. You all understand it. How we make partners capital account. Is that clear all of you? The first important part here is to understand all the transactions, all the adjustment first. If you know the adjustment, this question become easier for us. Is that clear? Now balance sheet. Balance sheet as on 1st April 2019. If the question says on yes, it's on 1st April 2019. liabilities amount, assets amount here, assets amount, liabilities. The first thing we write in assets, first thing write on the liability side capital accounts A, B and C. Find out हमने पार्टनर्स कैपिटल में था ए की एबिलिटी दी थी 58, check 58,280 and the capital of B is coming 45,520 and the capital of C is 25,000. I hope it's clear to everyone. Next, creditors. Is there any adjustment there in creditors? Yes, adjustments there. We have to pay 800 be less. तो creditors हमारे थे 20,000. By court order हमें 800 रुपए कम पे करने. It means we have to pay 19,200 now. Okay. Next is outstanding expenses, which is given the question. Outstanding expenses. Now check what is the outstanding expenses given the question. It's given 5,000. No change in it. It's 5,000. Now come to assets part. First thing under assets is given building. So no change in building. Building is as it is 50,000. Building में कोई change नहीं है. तो building 50,000 का 50,000 आ गया. Next asset is given the question plant and machinery. Okay, if you check plant and machinery, no change in plant and machinery. So we write plant and machinery. The value of plant and machinery is given the question 30,000. There is no change in it. So we write 30,000 over here. Next is, if you check stock is given. Now stock, we find out हमने stock की value 18,000 लिखा था, but the stock value is 20,000. The actual value stock हमारी कितनी थी 20,000. हमने आपको निकालना बताया था. How we find out? Because 90% is given to us, we have to find 100%. Now debtors, the value of debtors in that question is given 22,000. How much are bad? कितना X में पैसे मिलने था? Bad जो हमें X से था 2,000 rupees मिलने की उम्मीद नहीं है. The bracket sign means negative. And provision कितना था Y का जो हमें नहीं मिला? Again 2,000. There is no need to write X and Y. ये X and Y लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. मैं खाली आपको समझाने के लिए रहा हूँ. The value of stock is coming 18,000 now. Okay. Next thing is हमें given a bank. Now tell me what's the bank balance is given the question. बैंक का जो बैलेंस है क्वेश्चन में 5,000 गिवन है. But the new partner brings 25,000 as his capital plus 5,000 as his share of goodwill. तो इसके अंदर बैंक कितना हो गया? बैंक is given 5,000. The new partner brings 25,000 as his capital and 5,000 as share of goodwill. तो इसमें बैंक is coming round over 35,000. We done all the adjustment. Check. You will do the total of asset side. I will do of liability side. So liability side 58,280 plus 45,520 plus 25,000 plus 19,200 plus 5,000. It's coming 1,53,000. Now do the assets part. 13 0 0 0 13. Okay. 8 10. 8 for 13, 8, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 115, 1,53,000 is coming correctly. That's how we make the balance sheet. I hope this part is clear. Please note down this balance sheet. So this is the easy part. Now later on we moving on to do different adjustment questions. We will do question number 83, 84. Okay, you will do 82 questions simple. Of course, look like bit lengthy, so I will solve with 82 for you. Then we do 84. You will solve 81, 83. Oh, sorry, 80. Yes, 81, 83. Try to solve question number 81 and 83. Okay, or try to solve 84 also. So in my next video, I will do different questions for practice. To please understand these terms, practice more and more question. That's the important part. I hope you understand this question. So guys, take care. We will meet you soon with the next questions. Till then, please take care. I hope you practice all these questions. Whatever questions we will practice here. जो भी मैंने क्वेश्चन आपको प्रैक्टिस किए हैं, ठीक है, मेक अ बंच ऑफ दैट, नोट डाउन द क्वेश्चन सेपरेटली. उन सब क्वेश्चन को सेपरेटली नोट करिए, सेपरेट पेज में उनके आंसर लिखिए, सो दैट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन और आपका एक क्वेश्चन बैंक तैयार हो जाए. इज दैट क्लियर? बाय, टेक केयर गाइस.